Hi there, we're going to have a few clips about talking about using visual supports. Firstly, it's useful to think about why we're using visuals. Often parents say to me, if I'm showing him a picture or using signs, is it going to stop a child from using words? Actually, what we know that a lot of children have real strengths in their visual processing, so that if we're showing them a picture using a sign, it's just strengthening their ability to learn words. If I was to say the word bus and your child's busy doing something over there, they might not pick up on it. Whereas if I'm saying the word, I'm doing the sign, and I then show them an object of a bus, it's going to be easier for them to understand. We're going to talk specifically about using visuals to support understanding to start off with. And the first way we're going to do that is thinking about something called objects of reference. So objects of reference are really objects that represent your child's routine as part of their day. You're using them to support that understanding of what's happening, and you can use these with very little children. So it might be that you might gather up a bag of things that represent different parts of the routine. For example, you might have a nappy to show when they're going to be changed. So instead of just picking them up and taking them and putting them on the changing table, you're showing the nappy and you're doing the sign and you're repeating the word several times. So they're having maximum opportunity to learn that word, but also to understand. It's helping them to become less just passive recipients as part of what's happening around them, but really encouraging them to understand and giving them the maximum opportunities to do that. Might be that you use a spoon for meal times. Using objects to represent songs is a great one. Often I think having a little bag with, for example, a star for Twinkle Twinkle, a bus. They sell some really nice song bags on Amazon, which are really nice. So just thinking about using the objects consistently, and also they've got to make sense for your child. So having something that actually really clearly relates to what you're doing. So sometimes parents say to me, oh, well, I'm going to use a ball for going outside, because sometimes he likes the ball, but actually it's got to be something that your child would really relate to and pick up on. So perhaps a shoe might be more relevant, really. So and also I would give, if you're implementing this strategy of using objects, you have to give your child time to get used to it. So just starting to show them as part of the routine and just allowing it to become something that you do as part of that, but giving it, a month, 6 weeks at least, to give it a chance to really help them to understand that as well. Okay.